Looking to connect ChatGPT with SanctifAI Connect? Not a problem. Let me show you how to get that done. First, we're going to start at ChatGPT. We're going to need to enable some settings. So go to Settings, Apps, Advanced Settings, and enable Developer Mode. This would allow us to create a custom app. From here, let's name our custom tool SanctifAI MCP. And we're going to need the MCP server URL, which we're going to get from the SanctifAI Connect website. All right, let's head to SanctifAI Connect, go to AI Agents, and click Invite AI. We're going to name our agent TARS, generate credentials, and then head to the MCP config tab and copy this URL here. This URL would go to the MCP server URL in your ChatGPT settings. So let's paste it there. For authentication, set it to no auth. And that's it. Accept the terms and conditions and create the new app. And you're done. Once you look at the Apps tab, you're going to see SanctifAI MCP as one of the enabled apps. And we're going to go ahead and test this. Verify that you're connected to Justin Lee's organization. And there we go. You're now connected to SanctifAI Connect using ChatGPT.